Hey guys! Today we're gonna have KFC chicken and waffles, the regular drumsticks, and on this side we have the Buldak and Chapagetti. These are 2 packs because I couldn't find the green pack where they have it mixed in for you, so that's what we're having today. Let me show you the deets and let's get straight into it. This is the Chapagetti with the Buldak, and this is the chicken from KFC. And this is the waffle. Let's get straight into it. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting to eat this so much. My sister just left. She was here for the Memorial Day weekend. Let me show you. Okay. Mmm. 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 So good. Oh, and it's spicy. Oh. Oh, so spicy. Guys, did you guys know that you can find this at Hobby Lobby? My sister got this for me because I expressed my interest in it. I couldn't find one in Austin because they all had like lemons and like different kinds of drawings on them. And then we have the chicken and waffle from, oh, Miss Butterworth's. I thought it was Miss Betty's growing up. That's what our mothers gave us because my mom learned in New Jersey from someone that is the one that you get. All right, so we're gonna get a chicken tender. All right, and we're gonna get the waffle. Let's try the KFC chicken and waffles. A little bit of a drizzle here. Okay, all right, let's try it out. Bow, bow, bow. Mmm. It's actually pretty good together. I am shocked. There's a nice pepperiness to this chicken tender, adding to the overall taste. Mmm. 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 This waffle, if you look at it, it's not airy and fluffy. It's thick and kind of like has a bite to it. I'm not saying it's bad, just describing what it tastes like. I like the pepperiness with this chicken. It makes it really good with this waffle. Let me just try the waffle itself. It's a dense dough. Kind of reminds me like, not exactly like a cinnamon roll, but you know how they're a little bit more dense. But I will say that is a big bite for you small mouth people. If you have a small mouth, it can be challenging. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. 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 I love chicken and waffles. Mmm. So good. Oh yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm. I haven't had really spicy food in a while. That is spicy. Oh. I don't know why it's hitting me now, but it's hitting me now. Oh. That was good. KFC chicken and waffles, approved. This is great. I'd have this for a meal. Mmm. 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 I even like this maple sauce. I don't think it's real maple, but it tastes good. Mmm. Mmm. I think the last time I had KFC was in my last mukbang, the last KFC mukbang. So good. 맛있다. So spicy. Let's have a chicken. I've been wanting to eat this chicken. I was distracted by the chicken and waffles. We have our KFC chicken. All right. Not as crunchy today. But I will say they were short-staffed because it's Memorial Day today. Not mad at it. I feel like the chicken tenders had more of a bite. I don't know if you can see how like light this batter is. It's not like the crispiest. Oh, 배부르다. Oh my gosh, I was gonna eat this vegan cupcake that I got from Whole Foods, but I'm so full, I don't think I can. My eating schedule has been off because I had my sister over. And then the week before, I was in Vegas and in the Grand Canyon. So like we were just eating a lot because you know on vacation you eat a lot, gain weight, you know, that's just how it goes. And I had no time to adjust to my schedule. I was so hungry while I was cooking this. I had like half a croissant, and it's not a small croissant, it's like a big one. Oh my gosh. I can't even say it's a soda anymore, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so full. I overate, but you know what? I was craving Korean food and I'm glad I got to eat it. I normally only get one cookie when I go to the store or at the bakeries. Or you know at Whole Foods they have like that one cookie wrapped up. I get that one because cookies normally have eggs and my husband's allergic. So I can't really eat a lot. So what I'll do is I'll eat it. Then once it gets close to the sell-by date, I freeze it and then eat it later. But here you go, chocolate chip cookie. Why do I feel like these and the Whole Foods individually wrapped ones are different? The individual ones are like ooey gooey. This one tastes like a large Chips Ahoy cookie. Not in a bad way, but it's just different. Maybe I need to heat it up, make it gooey, you know? All right, thanks for joining me on today's mukbang, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!